So I'd like to introduce you to this 1/1000th of a density meter. A whole set here. It's an accessory. This is the sink. This is the bracket. Then these two are used together, like plastic pellets. These two are for particle measurement. Then this is a product for measuring floating bodies. This is the anti-floating frame. If you put it near the water, it will float. PRESSSDOWN. For example, there are bubbles in water. Suck it in, boil it out, and drain it out. Then, this is to expel air bubbles. These are forceps. Then this part is the liquid accessory, glass, and this glass weight. There is another hook. There are two sets of each of these three. This is the bracket. This is a blackboard. First, let's measure our solid. A density of a solid. So first, we're going to install the sink. The position of the black line in the sink water level is good. It doesn't matter a little more or less, mainly because the water should not exceed your product. It depends on the height of your product. 4 holes pair with the upper bracket. The bracket is stuck in this pillar. Precautions. This thing must not come into contact with the sink. If you encounter it, you will skip the number and can't use it. Be sure to observe. Okay, that's when we turn it on. Turn it on and press the clear button before measuring. Peel. First, let's talk about the model first. There is a count here. It means we are currently in solid state mode. We can measure the solid. There's a hone fork over here. Okay, so if he was in liquid mode. Tell me how to set the mode for this. Solid mode is about like this. So let's talk about the operation. If you want to measure particles, this is the thing on it. Just put this in water and peel it for him. Then the measurement is the same as the usual measurement. Let's find something to simulate. Measurement of solids. I will test this glass square size. Put it on top. Press the mode button. It will appear HRG, age. The operation must follow the steps. The second step is to put it in the water. Be sure to note that there can be no bubbles on the product. If there are bubbles, take a burette and blow it. Then we press the red button again. Okay, density comes out. 2.232. So that's our density of our glass film. And after that, we quit. We can take out the sample. We can measure the next product. If you're afloat, just put this shelf down. Just press the product under it and do it. The same reason. Buoyancy. In this manual, he will have. Let's take a look. The approximate operation is like this. First, let's talk about how to measure liquid. Liquid, we choose liquid mode. Press the manual button, count. Then keep pressing to peel. Press this ship. Then press the model key. This is solid. If you choose solid, just press the mode button to confirm. We now choose the liquid. Press the peel button, LI peeled. So that's liquid mode. Let's press the red button. Give him that to confirm. Confirm that they don't have count here. The hone fork is here. This represents liquid mode. Okay, let's install it. Accessories for liquids. Install. You have to put this on. Now it's showing LL because you didn't put accessories. It shows LL. Same with the blackboard. 4 rows at the lines. Okay, and then put the cap on it. Then this hook is placed on it. Just before we start measuring the fluid. Clear first. After clearing, we just need to confirm first. That solution compensates. Right, press the F key. Press the PO button. Press COF to select the tool mode key. This is 1. That's not right. Normally, we will set it up for you when we come out. You don't need to set it up. Okay, set up normally. After setting up, and we're going to measure that fluid. Let's test pure water. I'll wait a while now. Okay, you see, I already have HRGH here now. The weight has not been recorded yet. That doesn't work. It's going to be wrong. We're going to click this red one. Okay, quit it after testing. Okay, let's retest. It's 0 num. After zeroing, we test a glass valve code first. This glass valve has water. I'll give it a wipe. It's an airborne weight, also called dry weight. Then put this on. Hang it in this place. After this data is stabilized, press the red button. MODE key. HRGH appears here. Recorded. We're just about to pick up the sample we want to test. For example, let's test the water now. Let's get a glass of water and do it. Wipe it. Precautions for testing this liquid. It is said that the glass weight must be completely submerged in water. Second, there can be bubbles on this glass weight. Then, this time, we press the red button again. The density comes out at 0.9952. To adjust the density through the glass method. If it is lower, it can be compensated by solution. Turn it up a little bit, probably measured like this.